Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Lethal Company on your PC or laptop. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to go to the Steam website. So let's go ahead and search for Steam, and here you can see this is our Steam website. So let's go ahead and open the link. So once you click on this link, you'll see this sort of interface. So the first step is to download the Steam application on your PC. So let's go ahead and click on install Steam, and what you have to do is click on the install Steam icon, and then you'll be able to open the Steam on your PC. So next, if you have an account, you just need to log into your account, or else what you can do is create an account. So just click on create an account and fill in the information, and your Steam account will be created. So I have already done that process, so I'm going to directly open the Steam application. So here, this is my Steam application. So next, what you have to do is on the search bar, you have to search for Lethal Company. Alright, let's click on the Lethal Company, and here it is. Next, what you have to do is click on add to cart and proceed with your payment. So once you add in your payment method, you just have to pay for it, and you'll be able to download and install this game on your PC and laptop. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.